Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about video resume. Now this has been added in your professional life. So we must know how to make it, especially freshers, because it has been asked by many employers and especially the reputed companies are asking for it. So I will be telling you today that how we can make a video resume which can be impressive and best way to showcase yourself to the company. So first of all, you have to understand that a video resume should be brief, specific and simple in nature. It should be not more than 1 minute, and you have to understand that a video resume should be prepared in a very professional manner. That means that you have to take care of the light, sound and the background especially, because the background of your video should be very simple, plain and preferably a wall without any windows or something. It should have a sober background, and then you should understand about your attire. It should be very formal, just like you prepare yourself for the interviews. Then I would like to add that you should have a smile on your face and confidence, of course. Now let us talk about the script preparation, what you are going to speak. Now for that I must tell you that the script should be practiced, and please don't read it with the paper in front or even at the back. It should come from your heart because you are telling about yourself. So you should be telling in such a way, such a natural way, that everybody should keep in mind that the script which you are telling should include your personal information, your academic information, experience if you have any, the projects, internship you have done, and please highlight your professional skills. You can also add your strength and weakness also, but you have to keep in mind about the time limit. It should be for 1 minute, and if you are making it more than one, then not more than 1.5 minutes. Even if you are preparing yourself or tell me about yourself, the same script you can have it for the video resume also. But I want to mention that in the end you must tell them that why you have to join this company, why you are interested in it, and why company should hire you. These two questions should be included in your video resume, and then please say thank you in the end. You should conclude with a thank you note. Now I want to tell you that highlight yourself according to your job profile, your job description for which you are applying. That is very important. Don't make a video resume for all of the jobs which you are applying. You should mold it according to what the requirement of the company is. So I want to tell you that, and yes, in the end I would like to include that if you want to make a perfect video resume, that you must share this video with your friends and relatives and try to have the comments, proper comments on it, and then try to improve it accordingly. That will make a very perfect video resume of yours. So best of luck for your future, for your jobs in which you will make a video resume, a perfect one, and you are definitely going to get the job. Okay then, thank you so much for watching my video and be connected. Thank you so much.